Hi everyone. Welcome to the realm where dreams take form, where heritage meets innovation, and where imagination fuels the soul. Enter the world of Bundnerbike's Harley-Davidson Heritage Custom, Fantasy. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a voyage into the fantastical realms of possibility. The Heritage, in the hands of Bundnerbike's artisans, transcends the ordinary and emerges as a breathtaking piece of rolling artistry. With each stroke of creativity and every meticulously crafted detail, this custom creation exudes an aura of unparalleled elegance and bespoke craftsmanship. The Fantasy Edition embodies a distinct blend of classic heritage and visionary design. It's where the timeless allure of a cruiser meets the audacious spirit of innovation. This GRAUBÜNDEN bike stands as a testament to limitless imagination and meticulous engineering, transforming the traditional Softail Heritage into an awe-inspiring spectacle. Take a closer look at the amalgamation of classic cruiser aesthetics seamlessly interwoven with avant-garde modifications. From the handcrafted details on the tank to the bespoke rear conversion, every element of this motorcycle narrates a story of precision, passion, and visionary artistry. This video isn't just an exhibition of mechanical prowess, it's an invitation to embark on an experiential journey. Witness the grace of the Softail Heritage adorned with the signature Bundnerbike touch, a symphony of elegance, power, and sheer artistic brilliance. Join us as we unravel the Fantasy, a testament to the fusion of tradition and innovation, a ride that transcends the boundaries of imagination. Dive into this world of limitless possibilities, where reality converges with fantasy, and craftsmanship transforms into pure art. Thanks for watching.